Get excited about the 2017 BMW i3. This four-door, four-passenger hatchback just recently passed the 10,000-mile mark. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call